excuse my doodle braids, but I need to organize these bathroom drawers. I already posted me actually decorating this bathroom, but I need to actually go in and I have a brain fart. I always have these. Ever since I got pregnant, I always have these, but I need to go in the drawers and organize them. So I got these from Amazon. They come in 5 different sizes. Why they gave me so many of these, I have no idea, because they're tiny. You can't fit a damn thing in there, but whatever. I'll link them in the description box, and if I can find some with more big ones, I'll link that also, because I would have preferred more of these instead of these little tiny ones right here. And also, instead of going to the container store and spending a whole bunch of money on buying these one at a time, I find that buying them bulk is much better. Okay, amazing. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. First thing I'm going to do is empty out all these drawers. Let me show you guys. I kind of did try a thing, but it's not really giving me what I need. So, see, I kind of try a thing. It's not giving me what I need, so I'm about to change that. So when I started, I kind of run into some problems, and the problems that I ran into was my containers, some of them were not narrow enough. Like the longer ones were not narrow enough for my drawers. So if you have bigger drawers, these containers are going to be perfect for you. If you have an office at home, or if you have makeup that you need organized and you have a whole makeup system, these would be perfect to organize that. But I should have known that I needed more narrower containers because my drawers are kind of small. But needless to say, I kept them and used them as the best I could. And I also used some of them in my kitchen drawers to organize that. So if you're going to get these, make sure you have bigger drawers to put them in, or attach or find some that are more narrower from Amazon. Obviously, I love Amazon. I buy a whole lot of from Amazon. Their 3-day shipping is what always gets me, but sometimes I need to do a favorite Amazon haul video. But anyways, let's get into the video. skincare drawer, and this is going to be overfilled because I love skincare stuff and body care stuff. So this one is organized as best as I could. So this is my vaginal health drawer. I'm actually showing you guys my Kegel balls, but I have boric acid suppository and my bath soap. I actually take baths now, so I like bath soap that is alkaline and that's not gonna mess up my pH. And I got that from Sweet Cookie Wash. I also have what is it called, for when I had a yeast infection when I was pregnant. A bit TMI, but whatever. But yeah, I love vaginal health. So if I see something that pertains to vaginal health, I always get it. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is my pad drawer. These are women's touch pads. These are created by a Jamaican gynecologist. They're really accessible to Jamaicans that live in Jamaica and Caribbean women. So shout out to her for that. You can find these on Amazon or you can order them online. And I love these because they're all natural and made with natural ingredients. But honestly, I want to get into the Diva cup and the Nixit cup and stuff like that. If you have tried those, please comment what your thoughts are in the comment section below. I would love to hear what your experience was. So this is where you see my seat for vaginal steaming. You see my big old bottle of Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile peppermint soap, which I love, and all the other stuff that I keep under here are hair stuff that I use every single day, like the stuff that I used to wash Kai and Milani's hair so soap don't get into their eyes, and extra tissue and all of that good stuff that you keep in your bathroom cabinets. So I'm just gonna show you guys the drawers individually. This is the hair drawer. I got my hair leave-in conditioner, the kids leave-in conditioner, my bentonite clay um, hair stuff in here, my deep conditioner, my head wrap that I used to wrap my hair, and also my hair tie that I used to tie down my edges in this particular drawer, and also my Jamaican black castor oil. The next drawer is going to be my skincare drawer, and this drawer is always going to be overfilled because I love skincare and body care. So I have my body butters, my lotion, my natural soaps, my razor, my jade roller, the stuff that I used to put on my bentonite clay mask from Lulu's Holistic, my extra sponge to clean my face, my loofahs, all of that stuff is in this particular drawer. This is the razor that I use. It's Flamingo and you can get it on Target. It comes with extra head, so I really like that, and it's affordable. Very, very affordable. So this is my vaginal health drawer, which I absolutely love. A quick story about those Kegel balls. I was actually using those Kegel balls and I found out that's one of the telltale signs of how I found out I was pregnant with Milani. Okay. I was using them one day and I was like, my womb feels weird. This may be TMI, but whatever. And I took it out and I never put it in again. And then a few weeks later, I found out I was pregnant with Milani. So that's a quick little story for you guys. I wouldn't recommend using these if you're pregnant. They feel very, very uncomfortable, actually. Now, the next, I'm just showing you guys inside the cabinet. If you like these types of videos, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. In this box, I have my panty liners. Those are my natural panty liners. And then I have my vaginal wipes. Those are natural vaginal wipes. And then the last drawer is going to be my pad and panty liner drawer. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching another mom vlog. I'll see you in the next one next week, Friday, same time, same place. Deuces.